The offline mode only can be accessed from the clinic's account. As you can see from the screen, enable the work offline option. All functions are enabled except from placing orders to dental laboratories when the scanning operation is completed during offline mode. And switched back to online mode, all the scanned data stored in the computer will be automatically uploaded. The offline mode has been created for environments with slow and inefficient online connection. Therefore, it is not recommended for environments with normal internet connection service.